In this screencast, we'll be building the author page. This is basically an About Us page that describes the author. First of all, let's open up author.html in the Rabbit folder, which is this one. Most of the time, an About page simply describes what the main purpose of the website in plain text and sometimes with pictures. For this Storyteller website, I can also place an image of the author, as you can see here. And most recently, a lot of the websites out there are using videos to describe the purpose of their site. This may also be a good idea to supplement the plain texts. But for this Storyteller site, we're just going to build something really simple. Just a photo and a few paragraphs of text. In this case, they're just gibberish, but the title is about the author. We want to place the picture of the author at the left-hand side and have all the text wrapped around the image and goes below that. Now let's open author.html in top style. And let's go through the source code for this page. Let me get rid of the sidebar. This is basically the same thing from skeleton.html, except I've made changes to the content area. This part is very short, and I've mishighlighted this div. It's supposed to be this div matching this div, and I just basically have a spacer that has an empty div, and then I made it an item, and this is not supposed to be a welcome message. This is supposed to be author. Then I use also the item class for the wrapping div, and this is the item title. I reused the welcome class, and this time the way I capitalized the A is basically setting an inline style, making the font size 2.4 EM. That will create the effect. I do this because I want to show you another way of capitalizing your first letter. Then we have the body div using the body class. Then we have the image. And this image has a class of left, which floats left. And this is how you make your image align to the left and have all the rest of the text wrap around that image. Then you have a few paragraph tags, and in them are just texts. Then you close the div of the item, which it matches. Then you close the content div. Then the rest is basically the same. You have a footer right here, and then you close everything out.